Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Teacup Tarot. Once again, I really want to thank you for all the love, for all the blessings that you send my way. I am so grateful for each and everything. Thank you. Thank you once again. Now, in today's video, we are going to be looking into the kind of person you are emerging into. These are the changes that are going to be happening internally in your life. See, what happens is, as a result of a lot of planetary flux, as a result of this almost urgency that is happening in the planetary system of bringing about change, how that is going to be playing into your life is what I really want to see here in this video. As usual, you have 3 piles in front of you. Please make sure to take your time, connect with the pile that really speaks to you, and then we'll start with the very first one, which is pile 1. Hello, and if you have picked pile 1, then this is the person that you are becoming. So let us look into your energies. Now, pile 1, what I see for you is, there is an innate understanding that is coming to you. Like understanding after having looked at your past, understood your patterns, and really reflected on them. That is what is coming forth. And after reflection, I really see you sort of incorporating lessons that you've learned so that your present and your future becomes better. That is what I see. There is also an inner stillness. Your emotions have calmed down, like you have settled down as a person finally, is what I see. There is a great deal of respect for life. There is a great deal of respect for the cycles of life is also what is coming forth for you. And for a person who's gained this level of understanding and this level of maturity, life then becomes a simpler process. And that is exactly what is happening for you. So there is wisdom here, there is wisdom, there is stillness, and there is appreciation for everything that you have in your life now and in the past. That is what is coming forth for you. So if I just have to say, I see wisdom, and this is silence after chaos. So as you move forward in the next 6 to 8 months, what I see is you creating a life of beauty. That is what I see for you. Okay, whatever it is, you are living life more consciously now is what I see. Not falling prey to past actions, past behavior, and things that other people bring into your experience. You're really separating yourself from certain people is what I see for you. And also there is an appreciation for things. There is appreciations for things you have in your life, appreciation for people, appreciation for lessons is also what I see for you. But I also see a renewed dedication towards something. Renewed dedication towards a kind of life, a specific kind of life is also what I see. Like you are done with drama is what I feel. There may have been a possibility, like in the past, you may have been a person who's very much, into emotional responses. So now that is not going to happen for you. Like anytime anything happens, your response is going to be, okay, I just want to take a step back, reflect on it, and then react. That is the kind of person that you're becoming. I also see you taking up new learning. This can be a new course associated with your work, your career, or just getting better at something, getting better at what you do. That is really coming forth for you as well. But there is also a new meditative practice, a new spiritual practice that is now coming forth for you. There is also a possibility for you in the 6 to 8 months, you may actually find your spiritual tribe, or you may join a community where you feel like you truly and totally belong. And the result of this association, your energies are settling down. And you're finally in your life finding happiness, you're finding joy, you're finding fulfillment. And maybe that is the reason all that mental, emotional stillness is coming towards you. That is what I see. But also what is happening for you, you are sort of very ready to destroy your past beliefs. Like if for a specific number of people, if you were people who believed that okay, only this path is right, you will be like, okay, maybe I was wrong, maybe I need to look at things from a fresh set of eyes. So your old beliefs about yourself, about life, or certain things and situations are completely changing. See, what happens is anytime there is a storm, things are more clear, like the ground becomes clear, and after a storm the sun rises. So that is exactly what is happening for you. So the storm is something you are bringing into your own life, because what you want is an energetic clearance. You no longer want to associate with your past self, is also what I see, because you're done. You're like, I am done with all the dramas of my past, I am done with everything, I just want to start again, I want a peaceful life, and that is exactly what I'm going to create for myself, is what your intention is. So this is you clearing the field entirely and starting again, like you're building things up from ground zero again. And I do believe it's going to be a blessed journey. Okay, you guys are totally walking towards the person that you are meant to be, your destiny, your life path. That is what is coming forth for you. But again, for you, what is happening is you are also sort of withdrawing your energies from certain people and situations. Like if in the past you have been a person who, if somebody says something, you had to convince them that it is not that way. You're like, now, okay, it's not my battle, not my circus, not my monkeys, I'm not even going to go there. You're just going to let the other person be wrong, because for you, your own energies, your own life is going to be so much more important. So also what I see for you guys is your communication pattern will change a lot. You'll also become more conscious about how you communicate, the way you communicate it with, and the people who you communicate with entirely. So I do see you cutting off a lot of people in your life. I also see you becoming more in tune with nature. That is also happening for you. Like you may also make a lot of changes to your diet, to your clothing. In fact, for a lot of people, there is a possibility that you may choose clothes consciously, organic clothes, or choosing things that are like locally sourced, or you may just change your belief about dressing. You may realize that, okay, you don't want to catch up with the latest fashion, and you're just okay being you. Okay, so this is like a very, very specific form of way of dressing is what I see for you guys in the future. Yes, you are ready to be more vocal. Be more vocal about your feelings, but when you are ready. What's going to happen is, in the past, if, people could get a reaction out of you by saying certain things, if you were being triggered by something. Now you're going to be like, okay, I'm not going to be a part of that. And I am just going to say things when I am ready to say them. Yeah, like I already mentioned, you'll take a step back and decide that, okay, if this is not worth my time, I'm not going to go there. So that is what I see happening for you. Like when you are ready to speak, if you are ready to speak, you will speak. Otherwise, you'll be like, not worth my time. That is the kind of person I see you becoming. You're very conscious of your energy, you're becoming very conscious of your energy. But again, at the same time, I also see you gravitating more towards your thoughts. Like, like I mentioned initially, like if you were a person, your reactions were very emotion based, they are very, very much well calculated now. So you'll think things through and only then express it. And in some cases, you'll be like, nah, I don't want to do that at all. So your life is changing in many ways, many ways than one. And this is you consciously bringing that choices. I also see you going in for higher education. Whether this is at a personal level, you may just buy books relating to a certain specific area of learning, but you're learning something. Like you're investing in yourself. You are investing in knowledge. That is what is happening for you. Like you want to now expand your mind. That is what I see. You want to expand the domain of your life. Specific kind of learning is what is really coming forth for you, and that is something that you're really doing. Yeah. And again, it's like you're finally accepting your path in life. You're like, okay, if things are meant to come to me, they will come, and if they are not meant to come, it's okay. better things are meant to be. So there is this generous flow that is happening, and it is only because you prepared yourself for this. I also see you guys, for a couple of you, I have to tell you, you've done a lot of spiritual work. You've done a lot of inner child healing work is also what I see. And as a result, you've cut out a lot of things in your life, and you have just liberated yourself. And that is the person you're becoming. You're a free person. People don't affect you as much. That is what I see. And as a result, all the right things show up in your life. So that is the person you're becoming. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. And you're also becoming a person who is very much in tune with your own energies, very much in tune with the knowledge of the world is what I see. I really see you becoming a person who's very wise, but also knowledge wise, Like you may actually start learning something specific, very specific is what I see here. But also you're allowing your spirit guides to guide you in a direction that they want to take you in. Especially for pile 1, I don't know if you've seen my previous reading, I mentioned that a new spirit guide is working with you. I do see this as a result of this new spirit guide setting forth. Like I mentioned, this specific spirit guide is a very advanced soul. He himself is an ascended master. And that is the reason this tremendous transformation has happened in your life. So I do believe your working with him is going to prove very, very fruitful. And you learn to trust this new spirit guide, and working with him is really helping you. You're trusting your intuition. You're trusting the flow of life. You're trusting yourself to make exactly the right kind of choices for your life. You're not going to now be allowing any external influence that will affect you, is also what I see. So this is, even if right now your life is perfect, you will still be making major changes, because that is just the way your life is shaping. You are shaping your life, I believe, is the more appropriate way. So I really will tell you, because this is something I really see for you guys. The new spirit guide who has now shown up is really working wonders in your life. So please work with him, please get to know this person is what I'll really tell you. Because working with this spirit guide is transforming your energies completely. It's just calming you down. It's making you more sure of yourself. And a person who's more sure of themselves, a person who is mentally stable, emotionally stable, can do wonders. And that's exactly the person you are becoming. You'll do wonders in your life, pile 1. The next 6 to 8 months, even a year, is going to massively transform you. That is what I see. I'll leave you here. And all my prayers, all my best blessings are with you guys always. I wish you guys the best, the very, very best. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Hello, and if you've picked pile 2, then this is the person that you are now becoming in the next 6 to 8 months. So let's see what's coming forth for you. Alright. Pile 2. For you, what I see is, you are now co-creating a life for yourself with spirit. Like everything that you do is becoming so much more conscious, that now you've realized that, okay, if I do this, this is what follows. Just having that understanding, that is what is coming forth for you. And as a result, what is happening is you're changing. You're changing internally. Like you are completely going to disassociate with the person you were in the past and start again. This is almost like a spiritual rebirth, is what I see for you. Like what is happening here is, you are walking straight towards the person you are meant to be in this lifetime. Okay, so this is you consciously disassociating with your south node and heading towards your north node. Like you are now becoming a person who is so much more in alignment with a person you're meant to be, with your destiny, is also what I see. For a couple of people, I do believe in the next 6 to 8 months, there will be a lot of changes in your relationship area, changes in your work area as well. For a couple of you, you may decide that you want to emerge as your own person, like work independently. Work on yourself is also what I see. You know, I also see you like changing the way you relate to other people. Like in the past there may have been certain instances, this could have been relationships, romantic as well as platonic, where you've given your power away, and now you're taking that power back because you've realized it has just worked to your detriment. That is what I see. Again, for you, you know, what is coming forth is in the past, there may have been people in your life who show you that they are a certain kind of a people, but behind the scenes, they are just not that. And now you'll be able to understand the reality of things. Like you'll realize, okay, you know, maybe this was all a facade all the way. And you'll consciously understand the difference between reality and illusion. But this for you is also certain things that you've projected onto the other person. See, sometimes what happens is when we want a relationship to be a certain way, when we want situations to be a certain way, we make stories about them. And for you now, you'll realize that, okay, maybe this is just my projection on the other person, and the reality is so much more different. So, this is you recognizing that you may have contributed to certain things in your life, and now you are dissociating with that. That is what I see. Now, this is you really becoming clear in your vision. That is happening. Clarity is coming to you. Understanding is what is coming to you. That is what I see for you guys. And your, as a result, yeah, your relationship area, especially platonic and otherwise romantic, there'll be a lot of changes. But what is happening is, you know, especially from your past, if you have been carrying certain burdens with you, this can go as far as your childhood journey, okay, your inner child wounds. You'll release all of them. You'll be like, okay, I have probably told myself stories all my life. I have let certain things happen to me, and now I just want to release them. I no longer want to be trapped in the same old stories, and you're releasing them once and for all. So, I do see you guys coming out of certain traumas, certain childhood stories that you keep repeating to yourself. You'll be like, this has to stop, and I'm stopping it right here. Okay, so as a result, lot of changes are happening. You're freeing yourself in a way from past burdens, and burdens towards certain people, responsibilities towards certain people, emotional responsibilities towards certain people is what I see. See, for some people, what happens is, you know, you tend to be the older person in relationships. For example, when it comes to your parents, you realize that, okay, maybe I have been parenting my parent all my life, and maybe it's time I stop. Maybe it's time I think about myself. So this can be your story in many different relationships, okay? That is what I see happening for you. And what is also happening here is you also changing your dreams, okay? So if you had a vision for your life, like, okay, maybe, you know, I want my life to look a certain way, you'll be changing that. Your vision board will change as well. Okay, so what you're putting there will change dramatically, and this is very you oriented. This is about what you want from your life, and so you will sort of start working towards new dreams because your past life is going to go out of the window. Yeah, and like I said, you will co-create with spirit. As a result, this new dream energy is what is showing up for you. So, you know, creating a new vision board, having new dreams, manifesting a new life is also that is very much happening for you. The old is about to go once and for all. Financially as well, I see you guys becoming more powerful. Like finally in your life, you will have control over your destiny where you can call the shots once and for all. But also what I see here is you being influenced by an ancestor. Like an ancestor's way of life is also what I see. Like this can probably be a grandfather, a grandmother, a grandparent, or maybe this can be an ancestor you did not know. But your life is going to be very similar to this. For example, you know, if your grandfather chose to live a life that was very simple, you know, minimalistic, where he woke up at a particular point of time, where his diet was a certain things, he lived a particular way, you will sort of walk their path. That is also what I see. But either way, I have to tell you, pile 2, financially, you are going to become very, very strong. Like nothing can shake you after this, is what I see for you guys. Okay. You're also creating more value in your life. I also see for a couple of you, you may now invest in properties. That is also happening for you in your future. Okay, so this is like an abundant person inside out is what I see, because the old is out and the new is coming. You're finding your voice, point two. You're finally finding your voice. Now you are not ready to please other people. You're not willing to, lower your voice because it doesn't suit the other person. Now you're like, I have a voice as well. I want to voice it. If something is making me unhappy, I have the right to voice it. So any throat chakra, imbalances that you may have had, that is going out. And I'm so glad, I'm so glad, because having a throat chakra imbalance, for me specifically, is a very childhood wound, is an inner child wound. So I do see you guys healing from that inner child issues. And as a result, finally, I do believe for a couple of you, this is after years, you will be able to speak your truth freely. Yeah, that is what I see for you. Also, you are going into your past. You are completely going into your past, and you're going into your past to examine where you made mistakes so that you don't repeat them again. That is what I see. But I see you guys choosing a simpler life for you. Maybe materially you may not be driven that much anymore, although you have a lot of money and money is really coming towards you. But you're like, it's okay, I have all the money in the world, I am happy, I am secure. But money won't be shaping my decisions. Money won't change me as a person. That is what you're deciding. And you're living a simple life. So you're moving towards a simpler life where things will not matter to you anymore. It'll just be you, your happiness, your peace, and your energy. That is what is happening. So a shift from material towards a simple life is also very much a person you're becoming. Okay? You've resolved your root chakra issues as well, pile 2. That is what I see. And especially with the releasing of the old, that really makes sense. Really makes sense. So, yeah. You're choosing a simpler life, definitely. And yeah, yes, you are at peace. You are at peace with your choices. You are at peace in your mind and in your heart. Because what is happening, pile 2, for you in the next 6 to 8 months, you will have gained a lot of clarity. Clarity about how you contributed towards your problems, in fact, in your life. And once a person realizes, where their contribution is, it becomes very easy. Because oftentimes what happens is we place the blame on other people. And anytime where we place a blame on others, we sort of deflect from our own responsibilities. And what you're doing is you're taking responsibility for your own behavior, but at the same time, you're calling certain people out and then just deciding that no, that's not going to happen in the future. My life is going to be a life that I make for myself. It's going to be a simple life. It's going to be a life that is rich. Okay, so you will create a life for yourself. That is what I see. And these major changes are happening in the next 6 to 8 months. Let it happen. In fact, welcome them. Okay, because the version of you that is now emerging is just right. You are heading towards becoming a person that you're meant to be in this lifetime. You're totally walking towards your North Node, is what I see for you. Powerful changes. See, 2020 has been a very powerful year, but 2021 is just like, the cherry on top of that cake. Yeah, so whatever changes are happening in your life, they started last year in 2020 and they are continuing, and this year it's going to be the peak of it. Okay, so just trust yourself, because you are going to be making the right choices for yourself, pile 2. That is what I see for you. But you're changing completely from the person that you used to be, and you're becoming stronger, you're becoming wiser. Yeah, that is what I see for you. I wish you the very, very best, pile 2. I am so proud of you already. I am genuinely so, so proud of you. Really. All my prayers are with you as you take up this beautiful, beautiful journey. And all my prayers are honestly with you. I send you my very, very best. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Hello, and if you have selected pile 3, then this is the person that you are becoming in the next 6 to 8 months. Firstly, what I see for you, pile 3, is your energies are very, very inward bound. So, there is a possibility in the next 6 to 8 months you may decide that you need to become your own best friend, and as a result you may become more of an introvert than what you currently are. Like, you may choose to disassociate with certain people, like not completely, but with their energies is what I see. Like, you'll realize that okay, maybe I need to spend more time with myself, doing what I love, doing it in a way that I love, than become a person who's just out there for everybody, living a life that doesn't speak to me. That is the kind of person you're becoming. But also, what I see is you're becoming more observant of other people. You're becoming more observant about other people's behavior, their patterns, is what I see. And what happens is when a person becomes more observant, they understand a lot of things. So, this understanding is going to be coming towards you. See, they say a person who's actually wise will be somebody who learn from other people's experiences instead of making their own mistakes. So that is what is going to happen for you. Like, the greatest lessons that you will learn will be, watching other people make mistakes or witnessing their mistakes. So that is what is happening for you. You're very much inward bound. You'll sort of withdraw from society, do your own thing, and be happy with it. Lot of wisdom is coming your way in the next 6 to 8 months. That is what I see. Also, you're following your own voice. You're following the guidance that comes from within. Also, for you, what I see is, you may actually have a lot of interest in other cultures. You may also develop a lot of interest in other arts, is what I see. Or for a couple of people, this may be taking up something that you've never done before. Like, for example, you have no knowledge about a specific language, and all of a sudden you decide, okay, I want to study this language because it really speaks to me. Okay, but you're becoming more aligned with yourself. You are asking yourself which direction you want to go into, and you are brave enough to walk in that direction. For a couple of people, this can be you altering your destiny slightly. That is also what I see. See, so what is going to happen is, you may have decided, especially, a year back or 2 years back, that your life is going to proceed in this direction. But now you're like, hold on, that doesn't work for me anymore. The goals that I previously had for myself, I cannot relate to them anymore. And as a result, you may change your direction entirely. So this can be a change of your career, this can be change in the way you relate to other people, but massive changes are now happening. For a couple of people, I also see a change in a living situation. Okay, so this can be a movement. Maybe you'll shift to a new home, you may shift to a new country, a new city. For a couple of you, that is also possible. But what is happening for you is, whatever that is not aligning with you, you're cutting it out of your life. And you're going in a direction that is just right for you. I also see a lot of dietary changes that you will now take up. Okay, unique diet that is just fit for you. And there is a possibility that people will be like, okay, this will not work for you. But you will be like, okay, if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. But I'm going to do that for me. Okay, that is what I see for you. You're choosing an entirely different life for yourself than you previously decided. Also, you're becoming more aware. You're becoming more aware of your energies. You're also becoming more aware how association of yours with other people sort of changes your energy. Yeah, you're also examining certain thought patterns is what I see for you. Really being very, very conscious of your energy here. And you know why this is happening? This is because you are sort of going into the hermit mode. Where you are, even if you were an extrovert, you are going to become so much more of an introvert than you were before. And as a result, you become more conscious. You become more conscious of very little things. That is going to happen for you. Yeah? Earth-based diet, earth-based lifestyle are something that I really see for you. cutting out meat out of your life. That is also something you may do. But again, for you guys, let me warn you, whatever changes you want to make sure they are gradual changes, okay? Don't do anything extreme at this point of time, is what I'll tell you. Money is coming into your life. Fortune is really smiling on you. See, what is happening for you is, since you are getting more aligned with your inner voice, you will now know how to create opportunities for yourself. Newer opportunities may also come to a few of you, is what I see. For a couple of you, I also see your own businesses, and especially if that is something that you're called to do, I say just go ahead, because if you start it in the next 6 months, fortune will really, really smile on you. So a lot of independent business, doing things your way, not having somebody else dictate terms for you, is the kind of person you are becoming now. Like, you're not okay with other people's interference in especially your money related decisions, is what I see for you. But either way, financially, lot of blessings are now coming into your life. I also seeing you making a lot of changes, and these are changes to your appearance, like the way you dress. I see a lot of changes happening in that direction. I also see you becoming more free, like you're so confident in your own abilities that you're like, okay, I'm just going to make these changes in my life. I'm just going to make myself happy. And if this specific thing is making me happy, I'm just going to do that. Okay, you're just taking responsibility for your own life right now. Yeah, and these changes, especially changes to your appearances, you're truly emerging as your own self right now, is what I see. And a beautiful version of you. In fact, I will say in the next 6 to 8 months, you will become the best version of yourself. Yeah, a lot of changes. But you are also becoming more conscious of your energy levels. For a couple of you, I do see you making a lot of changes in your diet. I see you making a lot of changes in your exercise routine. For a couple of people, I also see you now respecting the ebb and flow of your life. Like, you will naturally know when you are at your best, and you'll then decide your life around it. I genuinely, for a lot of you, I see like your own businesses, a work that speaks to you. Even if this is not your own business, the kind of work you do, the kind of jobs you do, the kind of careers you are into, you will naturally choose something that works to your energies. You will now consciously decide if some work situation is not right for you. You will just consciously disengage from that situation. So a lot of job changes is also what I see. Yeah, but you're more in tune with the energies of your own body. For a couple of you, there is also a possibility you may be more drawn towards the healing arts. Yeah, probably Reiki practitioners, you may either receive it from other person, or you may start doing it yourself. Okay, lot of energy clearing is happening for you guys. So I do believe pile 3, in the next 1 year, 1 to 2 years especially, your life is going to change tremendously. And this is as a result of the kind of things you've done for yourself in the year 2020 and this year. Like, you've truly become a very, very driven person, towards your own motivations. That's what I see. And what is happening is, you're not so much concerned about the end result, but you're enjoying the journey. You're so happy just living your life, and you're just happy seeing where it'll take you. So what is happening for you, I'll really say this to you. What I envision is, it's like, you have like a world map in front of you, and you're like, okay, maybe I'll travel to this destination now. And you just walk that path. You're not very concerned about how you'll end up there, the path you'll take to end up there. You just be like, I'm gonna figure the way out for myself. I believe in myself. I have the abilities, and I'm just gonna do it. So it's not so much the destination than the journey. That is what you're concerned with. You're following the call of your own heart. That is what I see for you guys. That is the kind of person you're becoming, Somebody who's so true to themselves that they trust themselves. And anytime where you trust yourself to take the right decisions for you, it's you becoming your best version then and there. That's what I see for you. Also, what I see is, you are letting your spirit guides, your own soul, your higher self sort of dictate all the steps that you take. You're becoming so much in tune with the energies of nature, you're becoming so much in tune with the energies of the universe that, it's like the road reveals itself to you on its own. Like you just put one foot and, the next thing, next situation just arrives on its own. So, what will happen is you will become so aligned with yourself and your energies that your path becomes clear on its own. Like, you don't have to worry so much. Yeah, you're becoming so much more trusting of yourself. You'll just follow your own path, is what I see. You'll not allow anybody else to dictate it. You're aware of your own energies, you're aware of your strengths, you are aware of areas where you have to put in work, and you're willing to put in that work. Yeah, you're willing to just get down and do what is necessary for your life. You're following whatever your soul is asking you to do. That is the kind of person you're becoming, and you are really working in the right direction because fortune is already showing up for you. You have goddess Lakshmi, so you are going to be blessed materially as well because you're doing something you love, because you're following your own heart, you're following your own instinct. Okay, you're becoming very much a heart based being, a person who relies on their instincts, is what I see for you, pile 3. It's beautiful, beautiful. You are creating a new, unique destiny for yourself, pile 3. And that's beautiful, completely. I wish you the very, very best on this beautiful journey. You're so ready to become this person. I can just sense it. I wish you the very best. I send my best to you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.